Hi there guys, so today I'm going to be presenting my Progress Ultimate solution for the assignment. This is for the P5 section. So basically, the slide is going to contain the Enterprise Computing Solution Progress Ultimate Travel Services, and it has been proposed by Lowtown Woke. So this presentation outlines a proposed enterprise computing solution for Progress Ultimate Services. The aim is to improve the company's current system so that it can support global expansion, improve the efficiency, and provide better services to the customers and the staff. So, the Progress Ultimate Travel Services provides a range of travel services including flights, hotels, cruises, and car hires. The company currently operates from one main location and uses email and telephone communication. As the company plans to expand globally, its current system is no longer sufficient, basically. So the current system is no longer sufficient, so it needs to upgrade and it needs to adapt. So the current system has several limitations. It relies heavily on email communication, which causes delays. It is also difficult to scale as the business grows into new countries. The issues can lead to errors, inefficiencies, and poor customer experience, basically. So let me just hold this. So the proposed solution is a cloud-based enterprise computing system. This includes an ERP system, which is used to manage bookings and financial data, and a CRM system to manage customer information. Because it is a cloud-based, employees and customers can access the system from anywhere in the world, basically. So the system will store all data in a centralized database, meaning all offices can access the same information, real-time updates, which ensures that booking information is always accurate, basically. The system also supports multiple locations and automates tasks just such as the booking confirmations and data updates. So just give me a sec. Let me check if it's still recording. Okay, it is. So I'm gonna finish up with the slides here. The slides is like 13 slides, so it's not gonna be too long. Around slide 6. This solution improves the efficiency by reducing manual work and automating processes. It speeds up booking and reduces errors. Communication between offices become easier, and the system supports the company's plan to expand internationally. Security is very important for this system. Data encryption protects sensitive customer information. User authentication ensures only authorized users can access the system. So the access control limits what each user can see and reducing the risk of data breaches. So this has to do with the security sides of the system service. So basically how to make the system more secure. There are my considerations to take into account. The system will require an initial investment and a staff training. It also depends on a stable internet connection. However, these are manageable and could outweigh the long-term benefits. So it could outweigh the long-term benefits of the system when it comes to cost. In conclusion, the proposed enterprise computer solution is scalable, secure, and efficient. It allows the business to expand globally while maintaining high performance and customer satisfaction. Overall, it is a strong solution that meets the company's needs. So I'm gonna go into the outline scope now. So basically the objectives and the goals. Let's see. So when we look into the outline scopes, the objectives of the company will be to basically scale the business, and which is going to be more beneficial to the customers, global expansion support. So how the business is going to expand to different regions in the environment. Key benefits: this has to do with more customer reach and helps benefit when it comes to more productivity for the business. Key limitations has to do with costs, considerations due to staffing and training, It's not gonna be easy, and time constraints as well. So basically, the logical design overview imputes customer booking staff data. So this has to do with all the things that have to be do with the logics of the business. So obviously, we have to look at the customer bookings, staff data, processes has to do with booking system, payment processing. So basically, how like if you want to book the system, how what medium do you have to go through? Do you have to go through a website? Do you have to go through an application? And payment processing. All companies basically gonna like it's gonna handle our payment processing to make it more secure. Outputs, confirmation and reports, data, central databases. So we're gonna use a central database to secure our data. So the inputs, okay, let me go on to the next slide. Sorry guys. I'm thinking this has to be the last slide because this is a duplicate. Delete this. Okay, so that's pretty much it for for P5 presentation, yeah. So it's just how to advance the business, how to improve it, as simple as that. So I'm gonna move on to the next topic, yeah, which is gonna be like P1. Thanks.